Hello friends, welcome to this video. This particular video has been requested by so many people. As you know, all UKVI expired on the 31st of December 2024, which is last year, even though Home Office actually extended their use until the 1st of June. But today, we are not talking about how to create or link your eVisa using the BRP card. If you want to know how to do that, I have a video on that, so you can just click right here and then you watch it. But if you are like most of the people who are watching this video, and you are one of those who have received their visa approval in 2025 and you have no BRP, then this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create and link your eVisa to your passport using your visa application reference. And you don't need any email from Home Office or even a BRC. This is going to be a step-by-step video explaining exactly how you can do that. So if you're in the process of creating or linking your eVisa, feel free to pause this video at any point and start the process yourself, and then you follow through as you watch this video. I guarantee you, if you watch the whole video, you will no longer need to watch any video to do with linking your eVisa. So let's go. So as you can see guys, this is a UK visa approval letter. I can't show all the other details before this, obviously for security reasons, but you can see that it says your application for a United Kingdom UK visa vignette has been successful. And of course, they always put this disclaimer: this notice is not permission to travel to the UK. So first of all, if you received an email like that, congratulations, your hard work has finally paid off and you are ready to come to the UK, of course, after collecting your passport, which has a vignette sticker on it. But for this video, let's continue. So normally, you will find a lot of other things that have been written to you, explaining to you how things are supposed to be done, what this means for you. So as you can see, this one is particularly for a dependent child, granted from 30th of March 2025 to 13th of March 2027. So you can read all of this at your own time because it is your own email. You go through it. And because I have permission to proceed and create an eVisa for this particular person, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to use my email. You're going to see shortly how I'm going to do that. So let's continue. So in your letter, you'll find so many things here. The UK is saying we no longer provide BRPs to show your permission to be in the UK. Instead, you can now access your eVisa and prove your immigration status. And then they tell you information on how to do this is on the next steps section. So now that's what we are going to look at. So here are the next steps, what you need to do. So when you read through this, if you already have a UKVI account, you can access it through here. And if not, then you might want to look at the information on how to create a UKVI account right here. And as you can see, it is stated here, if you are not able to create your UKVI account before you arrive in the UK, you can follow these steps to create one once you are in the UK. Use the following link to create your UKVI account. And this is the information that you are going to need: your date of birth and your global web reference, GWF. But for some people, it is UAN. So it doesn't matter. It is just that application reference number that they're talking about, which I'm going to show you. And for this person, they do not have a UKVI account. So we are going to create the account, create the eVisa, and link it to their passport. So the email they send you is always long, and we are not going to read all of it. So we are going to come back right here where it was saying, use the following link to create your UKVI account. So we are just going to do this. By the way, if you have a BRP card, for example, if you came to the UK as a student and now you have switched to skilled worker visa, the process is slightly different. But for today, we are talking about those who have never had that card. But if you have had the card, you would need to first log in using your BRP card details, and then you just go and edit your personal details. If you guys are interested in a short video explaining how exactly to do that, let me know in the comment section. For now, let's continue. So when you reach here, you can see create UKVI account to get access to your eVisa online immigration status. So we're just going to scroll down and then we say start now. So once you are here, you have to state when were you granted your most recent permission to come to or stay in the UK. And this is why I was talking earlier about if you came on a different visa and you have switched to a different one. The process is slightly different. That's why these questions are here. But for now, we are going to choose 2025. So 2025, that would mean I was last granted permission to come or stay in the UK on or after the 1st of November 2024. So we shall pick this option because our visa is for 2025. Then we shall continue. Okay, so here now it's saying, do you have a visa or immigration application number? And that is the same number which is on your application form, the same number which is on your decision letter. And that is the number that we are going to use here. So we are going to say yes. Then we continue. It's going to ask us to put that number somewhere later. So do you have a valid passport? Yes, definitely. So create a UK visas and migration account. So here they are also telling you other details of the things that you may need. You need a date of birth, a biometric residence if you have one, that is, access to your email, and so forth and so forth. And up here they explain to you why you need to create the accounts. Down here they give you guidance if you are creating the account for someone else, which exactly I'm doing here. So I'm going to go with the second option. But before I do that, I will need to create an account for them. So I need to come right here, create an account. Who are you creating this account for? So as I said earlier, I'm going to say someone else. And I say continue. So who needs access to this account? I'm going to choose this option, but that is only for simplification purposes. But later, I'm going to hand over this account to that person and all the details, and they are going to change everything. They are going to change the email, they will change their passwords, they will change their phone number, and so forth. But because I want to have this account created now and linked now, so I'm going to choose that other option. So I've chosen that, only me. Then I say continue. So I'm going to put the names of the person here, but I cannot show their names here for confidentiality reasons. So you are going to see me on the next page. So let me just enter the names here. So here they're saying what is the country of nationality of that person that I'm creating for. So I'm just going to answer this question. Then you'll see me on the next section. So here they're asking, choose the document that will be used to prove their identity. You'll also use this to sign into their account. So for this particular person, I'm going to put passport because it is what was used. So next we have to enter the passport number and the country of issue and the expiry dates and the date of issue as well. So I'm just going to enter it here. So now here they're asking about the date of birth of the person whom this account is going to belong to. So I'm just going to enter their date of birth here, then we continue. So next they are asking what email addresses do you want to use when signing into this account. So I'm going to enter my email address that all of you guys know. And I continue. So it is saying check your email and enter the security code. So I'm going to do that just now. Here is the code. I'm just going to copy it and paste. Just copy. And then I come and paste it here. And then we continue. Next, what phone number do you want to use when you sign into this account? So I'm just going to put here my UK number and then we continue. So now it is asking me to check my phone so that I can get the number 78. So then it's going to ask, what is your name? And I have to answer this question because I am creating for somebody else. In fact, even if you are creating for your own child, it's going to ask you this question when it reaches this page. So I'll just type in my name. So it's asking me what my relationship is with the person for whom I'm creating this account. So I'm going to answer this and then we continue. So after you click continue, it will take you to 2 other pages for which you're supposed to confirm the information that you have entered, but I can't show those pages because they contain personal confidential information. But all you need to do is to click continue. After that, it's going to bring you to this page that you are looking at right now, which says UK Visas and Immigration Account created. So what remains is to link it to your visa so that you can be able to view your immigration status online. So we are going to do that also right now. But before we do that, if you are getting any value at all in this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you find it useful, please make sure that you share it with all those that might benefit, because people are looking for this information. And that's exactly why they have been sending me messages asking how they can actually convert their visas into eVisa. So be kind enough to share with all those whose visas have been approved and they don't know how to create that eVisa. It is simple, but if you don't know exactly what to do, it can be a headache. Thank you for doing that. Let's continue. So before you link, it is going to tell you to sign in to your UKVI account first. And we are supposed to use the same details that we entered earlier. So it's going to ask what was used, and you're going to say passport again. We continue. What is the passport number? We are going to enter it here and then we click continue. So we are also going to enter here the date of birth, then we continue. So then it is going to ask how you want to receive your security code before you enter, before you sign in. So I'm going to choose email. Good. Then now it's asking me to check my email, and then I enter here the code, then we continue. So I'm just going to come copy, and then I'll just paste it here and continue. And then it's going to bring you here where it's going to say link your eVisa to your account. You have not started. So now you just come to start. Once you are here, all you need to do is confirm your identity, confirm your application number, your location, and so forth. And this is quite easy. So we can come here, confirm identity. It will take you to the part where you're supposed to download the UK Immigration Check app or Immigration ID Check. And after that, everything else is just straightforward. You just complete that, takes to the next, to the next, to the next until you have finished. And once you have finished all this, your location, your contact preferences, security questions, the declaration, and you submit, then you'll be done. However, you cannot move to the next before completing the one before it. And since I don't want to take you guys through all that, seeing the scanning with the phone and so forth and so forth, it will be a very long video. From this point, you guys can just take it up. And if you have any challenges, let me know under the comment section and I'll be able to sort you out. But I'm sure you guys are able to handle this process from this point onwards. So if it has been useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and share with all those who might benefit. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.